we are going to be doing something just a little bit different. Today, I brought out every single one of my revolvers in my collection. Now, this is a lot. I have all the way from black powder to big boomers.
Yep.
We have 8 different guns here and a bunch of really fun targets. Now, let's get to shooting. Today's video is brought to you by my website, autumnsarmory.com. Today I just wanted to show you some stuff that we got in, and yeah, we have some transfer stickers, 8 different colors, and these are the kind of stickers that you stick to your car window and like peel off the back so it keeps that print there, and these are my logo. We have keychains, the little square, the blue, and the brown and green. And one more thing I do want to show you is the Texas flag bags. Now, we will be selling these and giving all the profits to an animal shelter that got affected by a recent tornado that hit Texas and Oklahoma. And yeah, these are all really cute bags, really cute stickers. So once again, thanks to autumnsarmory.com for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to shooting. Alright, so first up is my Colt 1849 black powder. Now, this gun's pretty fun to shoot, but it jams all the time.
Yeah, it's very unreliable.
Yeah, so if you had this in a holster, don't use it. Don't use it. You're better off with a knife than this.
Definitely.
Because it never works. And whenever it jams, it's so hard to clear it.
Oh, yeah.
But alright, we have only one loaded up in here because we don't want to have to go through 5 shots and just boom jam, boom jam, boom jam, not shot, not shot. Okay. I'm just going to go one-handed.
All right.
Ready?
Ready.
That was dead center shot.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy cool.
I can't believe it worked.
I can't believe it worked either. And this is my 2 things about this gun. It's not very accurate, and it's very unreliable. And the fact that I hit dead center is actually crazy.
Yeah.
Because this thing shoots 6 inches high most of the time. Sometimes it shoots almost a foot right.
Yeah.
But, all right. Let's shoot something a little bit more reliable.
Cool.
All right, next up we have my Heritage Barkeep in Blackberry Cerakote, which I think is just beautiful. And yeah, we have 1 Velociter, and then the rest is just filled with some Federals. Alright. And I'm pretty close with a legendary target that we could not find for a few months. A pomegranate. A pomegranate. Got off balance there. Alright. Let's shoot the thing. Ready?
Ready.
That actually really exploded.
Yeah, it did.
I wasn't thinking that was going to explode so much because it's just a 22. But wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, those velocitors are pretty powerful.
It's bleeding.
Let's see that. Oh, yeah.
Pew! Alright, I got 5 more loaded up. And I do want to show you something here. I'm going to shoot the steel. I'm going to shoot the rest of my rounds, and then I'm going to show you something on the steel.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Right in the center of the P. Center of the P. How am I hitting so accurately with this gun one-handed?
Yeah. It has just awful sights.
But I'm hitting so accurately.
Yeah. All right.
Alright. Now, let me show you this thing I wanted to show you. Ew, there's blood on me. There's pomegranate blood on me. Alright. So, on the W here. Alright, so here is the 32 cal from the 1849, and that doesn't do much damage. And this is a 22 out of a 2-inch barrel. Now, even though it is out of a shorter barrel, it has way more power because the 1849 is a black powder, and it just doesn't have as much power.
Yeah,
as
this
the
didn't
22.
even make it all the way through the paint.
Yeah, it didn't even make it all the way through. It just made it through at least one layer, and then this one got all the way through pretty much.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
So low power.
So low power. Okay. Now, on to another 22.
All right.
All right, next up we are going to be using my Ruger Wrangler with this beautiful burnt bronze Cerakote on it. It's just so pretty. And we are loaded up with one Stanger, 22 Blinkster Stanger, and CCI. And then the rest of the cylinder is just some Federals again.
All right.
All right, and we have another pomegranate set up.
Cool.
I don't want to get too close because of what happened with the other one, but...
Yeah, this one's a longer barrel, too.
Yeah, all right, ready?
Ready? Nice.
Woo! That is crazy. I forgot what the inside of a pomegranate looks like. It's so pretty. And bloody. All right, now let's finish the cylinder off. Hammer's a little bit more stiff than the barkeep.
Oh yeah, it's way heavier with the Wrangler.
So I can't do it with one hand. I can't cock it with one hand. Cool. All right, this gun is just so much fun. All right, on to the next gun. All right. Now on to the next gun. All right, next up we have my Heritage Tactical Cowboy, and this thing just makes me feel so tactical. Whew! We are loaded up with one Velociraptor. I meant just Velociter, and 5 more Federals, as we did with the Little Rough Rider. All right, ready?
Ready? Oh, nice.
That blew it to smithereens, and it's still raining. Wow, okay. That was crazy. I want to touch it. It blew it to smithereens like this because of this almost 6-inch long barrel. So,
Yeah, I think it's a 6.5 in that gun.
6.5, okay.
It got a lot more velocity than the other ones.
Because it's called a Velociter.
Yeah.
I like popping the seeds, look. Yep, that's where all the juice is. Alright, I still got 5 more shots. On to the last 22. I know, it's been 5 22s already. Alright, next up we have my Break Action H&R Model 999. And this is actually my first double action that I've ever owned. Well, I own more now, but this is the first one I've ever gotten.
Yep.
Cool. Alright.
This was a 9-shot, too.
Yeah. And we have a 2-liter setup. Oh, I forgot to do the most important thing. And we have a thunder, thunder, boom! You always got to do the like thing. It won't work if you don't do the like thing.
All right.
All right, ready?
Ready?
lot of fun. Alright, next up we have my Rock Island Armory M200, and this is one of my favorite revolvers I have. My 44 mag is my favorite, but this is one of my favorites. Alright, so we are loaded up with a 38 Special Plus P, a Remington 38 Special Plus P hollow point, and then the rest is just some Winchesters. Whoop. There we go. And for our next target, we have an acorn squash. These things look pretty odd to me. They just look like an acorn, but a zucchini mixed with it, or a pickle or something. I don't know, but let's shoot it. Alright, we got that acorn squash set up. Let's blast it. Ready?
Ready?
That blew a hole right in it.
Oh, yeah.
That was crazy. Okay, it looks like a pumpkin inside. I think we should shoot it again, because it's not that destroyed.
All right. Yeah, you still have 5 left.
Yeah.
No more hollow points, though.
No, but alright. Ready?
Ready?
Cool. I think I destroyed it a little bit more. It's so sticky. And it smells like pumpkin over here. Alright, on to the next gun.
Cool. Hey, you want to know my luggage combination?
Sure.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6. Is that it?
That's it.
That's all the bullets in my weapon, too. Alright. Oh, we forgot to set a target up.
Let's do that.
Whoops. Sorry about that. We're having just too much fun out here, and we actually have a target up now. But we have the Ruger Blackhawk loaded up with 6 shots of 357. Alright. Ready?
Ready?
It's watermelon time.
This is going to obliterate this watermelon. Ready?
Ready?
Told you.
Nice.
That was crazy. I think that's the most reaction we've gotten out of a watermelon with this gun.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. I think it's because it was a mini watermelon. It had all that juice and stuff compacted. Oh, there's still a piece there. All right. Who dares me to go one-handed?
Go for it.
I wanted to shoot the dirt for this shot.
All right.
Okay, that's crazy. It's like Matt from Demolition Ranch shooting 500 Magnum.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, for our next gun, we have the exact same gun. It's a convertible. You can change out the cylinders, and you can either shoot 9 or 357, which is actually very cool. Because if you want to shoot 9 and 357, you can just buy this gun and with interchangeable cylinders.
And 38 special out of the 357 cylinder.
Yeah, and I want to show you some. For our next targets, we have the Little Hat Brothers. We found the 2 pineapples with the smallest hats. This one is Shorty because it's got a short little hat and it's kind of short. And this one is called Spiny because he's sharp. He actually already poked me twice. I see the plane. Alright. I scared it away. Alright. Let's shoot Spiny and Shorty. Ready?
Ready? Nice.
That blew his butt off. Ready?
Ready?
So So I'm just gonna finish these guys off. Backing up because of the rocks. Ready?
Ready. FMJs don't do much.
Nope. Cool. It's still raining pineapple.
It is. Smells
Wow.
good too.
It really does. Dr. Thunder and pineapple and a little bit of a hint of watermelon. Pretty good. Alright, for our grand finale, we have my Taurus M44 chambered in 44 Magnum with a 44 Magnum snake shot in it. And for our target, come down here with me. We have green, I don't know if it's lettuce or cabbage. I can't tell the difference.
It's cabbage.
Okay. I don't know the difference. Alright, ready?
Ready.
I think we might be able to shoot another one into this.
All right.
We got another snake shot loaded up. Let's blast this cabbage. Ready?
Ready.
Let me know in the comment section down below, out of my whole collection, what is your favorite revolver that I have? I gotta say, I love them all. I love every single one of them. But my two favorites are the two M's. My M200 and my M44. Those are my two, like,
Yeah.
I love them.
Those are fun.
And my Model 999. I love that one too. That one's really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this video, just like we had a lot of fun making it. So, thanks for watching Adam's Armory, and we'll see you next time.